Hola, buenos días mis estimados estudiantes. Vamos a empezar el día de hoy. Bueno, ¿qué dice esto? Vamos todos a la clase de español. Go ahead and let me know what it says. Go ahead and write that on your warm-up, please. Alright, so let us begin with today. Hoy es jueves el 4 de febrero for some of you, and for some of you hoy es viernes el 5 de febrero. Para empezar, contesta las siguientes preguntas. So answer the following questions. ¿Quieres ir a un partido de fútbol? ¿Quieres ir a un baile? ¿Te gusta estudiar? ¿Te gusta comer judíos verdes? Go ahead and answer that on your DOE, on your notes. Do the best you can. Alright, so, ¿qué me gusta hacer? So that's the essential question for today. What do I like to do? So we're going to talk about likes and dislikes, obviously. So let us begin. ¿A qué hora? So, ¿a qué hora? At what time? Escribe las frases como en el modelo y toma turnos diciendo las frases con un compañero. So write the phrases as in the example and take turns saying them with a partner. Now, if you're working by yourself, then you're going to have to say and write both sides of the conversation, please. So the example says movies. So imagine down here it said movies and it says 8 p.m. Notice there's times on all of them, right? So it would be ¿a qué hora es la película? And then a las 8 de la noche, because it tells you right there, 8 p.m., right? So what time is the movies, right? Movies at 8 p.m. All right. Now, you got to do the same for concert, 9 p.m., La Fiesta, 2:30 p.m., the football game, 1:30 p.m., the dance at 8:30 p.m., dinner at 7:30 p.m., and breakfast at 7 p.m. Well, let's change that one to a.m. Right in the morning. Let's do that in the morning. Yeah, that looks better. All right. As you do this, the first letter for your DOL is the letter D. Please make sure to pause the video and go ahead and complete that. And don't forget the first letter for the passcode is D. All right. Una invitación para el sábado. An invitation for Saturday, right? Invite your partner to these places and tell at what time you will go. Your partner will accept or decline. Follow the model. So, once again, if you don't have a partner, you do it to the partner. If you don't have a partner, then you're going to say both sides. So make sure you say them. Practice saying it, okay? And make sure to write both sides of the conversation in your notes, regardless whether you have a partner or not. So, modelo, which means example. So, student A would say, ¿te gustaría ir al concierto el sábado? Would you like to go to the concert this Saturday? Person B would say, ¿a qué hora? At what time? Person A would say, a la 1:30 de la tarde. Person B would say, genial or great. Nos vemos el sábado. See you on Saturday. Okay? Now, keep in mind, just like over here, right? It says the dance at 7:30, the party at 8:30 p.m., the movie theater at 5:30 p.m., the pool at 1 p.m., soccer match at 8:15 p.m., and to go shopping at 11 a.m. And you're going to make those into this conversation. So imagine over here, he said el concierto, and he said 1:30 p.m. Awesome. So go ahead, pause the video, take care of that. The second letter for your passcode for the DOL is the letter E. E. All right. Let us move on. Spanish words borrowed from English. So all languages borrow words from other languages, right? But let's look at some of what this is telling us. Language often borrows words from one another. For example, rodeo or rodeo and patio are Spanish words that have found their way to English. There are also a lot of examples of English words that have entered Spanish. By recognizing these familiar words, you can increase your vocabulary. Try it out. Read the sentences and identify the borrowed words. Don't forget to pronounce the words correctly in Spanish. So, what you gotta do is you're gonna write this down and you're gonna underline the word that was borrowed. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna read the whole sentence, right? And I want to do this because I want you to hear so you can say them correctly. So make sure to say them on your own. ¿Quieres jugar al básquetbol conmigo? Practico el rugby y el racquetball. Me encantan los sándwiches. So go ahead, write those down. Make sure to save those phrases and underline the word that you think was borrowed from English. That third letter for the DOL is the letter C. C. Now make sure to pause this video now so you can go ahead and take care of that exercise. Alright, ¿y tú qué dices? And you, what do you say? So, you gotta answer these questions. ¿A qué hora te gusta ir al cine? ¿Estás más contento cuando practicas un deporte o cuando ves la televisión? ¿Qué deportes te gustan más? Este fin de semana tienes que trabajar o puedes pasar el tiempo con amigos. So go ahead and answer those 4 questions to the very best you can. Write them on your notes. Alright, the fourth letter for the DOL passcode is the letter I. I. Alright, now Fondo Cultural. Alright, so let's look at this interesting looking thing. La Noche de los Rábanos is just one of many kinds of fiestas in the Spanish-speaking world. On the evening of December 23rd, people set up booths around the Zócalo of Oaxaca, Mexico to display and sell radishes, los rábanos. Sculptured into fantastic array of shapes, Oaxaqueños and visitors alike crowd the square to view the amazing creation. So look at this, it's all made with rábanos or radishes. Pretty cool, right? Well, that's it for today's lesson. I hope you all had a great time. And the last letter for today's DOL is the letter R. R. Okay, so it is the word decir. Well, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all soon. Adios.